Hello all, welcome to our channel. This is the new ad introduced by the WhatsApp. All WhatsApp possible, only one specific WhatsApp possible. This ad is eligible only for WhatsApp business. Who are using for WhatsApp business, they can create ad by the WhatsApp status ad. Suppose you can create any WhatsApp status that we can create by the boost post option. How it is possible? Go to your WhatsApp application. There is here boost your status, reach new customer with Facebook and Instagram. What are the ad you created? This ad we can create by the boost post option. So this WhatsApp is applicable only for business. WhatsApp is applicable. This applicable only for WhatsApp business users. Now click for get start and see this bring new customer with the Facebook and Instagram ad. They will bring the customer where Facebook and Instagram ad. Reach people locally, control your ad budget, pause or stop ad anytime. Now click for get started. So right now I have 18 views. I have increased my WhatsApp status views where using for WhatsApp business application. Click for next. After next, add description, add and click for next option. Like and share both can applicable. This is a new introduction is given by the WhatsApp. That is a WhatsApp business application. Now click for next. Where you can go, continue as the Rakesh Kandakuri. That will be my account. Is going to the my account will be here and activate your particular WhatsApp business status. You will be reach your customer will be where Facebook and Instagram also. So that will be applicable only for WhatsApp business user. Suppose, so I have the normal WhatsApp is there, is applicable or not? Is impossible for normal WhatsApp users. I'll show you will be here. If you go to this status, see this. They will not applicable by the normal WhatsApp user. They will only applicable by the WhatsApp business users. Anytime you can create ad will be advertise your WhatsApp status. So if any further question, please contact our channel about any ads. Ads is a creation time, how it is possible. The all videos are available into my channel. Follow it and make the video is created by the Facebook ad time. So now only I'm showing you up to go to Facebook option. After Facebook, how to create ad, they all visible by here into the my channel will be here. So already is there. Go to that particular video, check it out and create your ad by using WhatsApp status as a Facebook and Instagram ad. So if any further question, please contact our channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.